How'd you fit that in your gobble? This is Chris from ModeMunch, and welcome to Fast Food Fight, the show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains we create from them, make them look and test other retail products, whilst reducing their cost. Imagine my disappointment when I saw this video.
In the stubby. But the thing that's really hit home, especially with the timing of Movember and what it's all about, the poop test came back with blood in my poop.
How does one deal with such a sad video? By being a complete arsehole, of course. In fact, it would be un-Australian of me not to. Then Paddy Joes Channel contacted me about an idea that he and Foodie Trekker were going to do to cheer the bloke up. So yeah, I'm doing a Willet toasty fast food thingy. Imagine a sausage on a bread roll with onion and barbecue sauce with a Sprite in front of a Bunnings, usually for some type of charity. I managed to get mine from the Rotary Club for $4, but I told them in a really loud, slow voice that I was retarded. Maybe part of the game. And while you're here, please finger me button and jingle me jongo. And purchase some merchandise too. I have a red bum hole linked in the description panel below. There are 180 different designs, making over 1,000 products. Like this, and that, and this, and that, and this, and a lot of other stuff that you can send to someone as a really annoying Christmas gift. Or don't, I really don't care. So slice an onion really finely, boil it and get your bun hole ready for insertion, making sure that you have the right size bun to fit the sausage, or the right size roll hole. Wait until the onions are floppy and drain them off. Add some salt and some Worcestershire sauce. Leaving heat on the pan. Chuck the snag on, turning it intermittently. Then chuck your onions in just to finish them off too. Poke a hole in your roll. Finger in some cheese, some chipotle mayo, some barbecue sauce, some tomato sauce, some mustard. It's nice and lubed. Slip that snag in. Give it a quick toast on the George foreskin. Let's crack it open and have a look, shall we? There you go. Not bad for 280. This has been Chris from ModeMunch, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Wrap.